Hello everyone, and welcome to Level Up Your English. I'm Emma. In today's video, we're going to practice English for phone conversations. This is a repeat after me lesson. I will say a sentence, explain it, and then you will repeat it. Don't worry if it's difficult. Take your time, speak slowly, and do your best. Let's begin. The first sentence is, hello. Use this when you answer the phone. Repeat, hello. Very good. Next sentence, hi, it's Emma. Use this to say your name on the phone. Repeat, hi, it's Emma. Good. Now this one. Can you hear me? Use this when the call is not clear. Repeat, can you hear me? Excellent. Next sentence. I can't hear you. Use this when the sound is bad. Repeat, I can't hear you. Very good. Now this one. Please speak slowly. Use this when someone is talking too fast. Repeat, please speak slowly. Perfect. Let's continue. Next sentence, can you repeat that? Use this when you do not understand. Repeat, can you repeat that? Good. Now this one. Just a moment, please. Use this when you need a little time. Repeat, just a moment, please. Excellent. Next sentence, I'll call you back. Use this when you want to continue later. Repeat, I'll call you back. Very good. Now we will practice more useful phone phrases. These will help you in real conversations. Let's continue. Next sentence, who is calling? Use this when you want to know who is on the phone. Repeat, who is calling? Very good. Now this one. Can I speak to Emma? Use this when you want to talk to someone. Repeat, can I speak to Emma? Excellent. Next sentence, she is not here right now. Use this when the person is not available. Repeat, she is not here right now. Very good. Now this one. Can I leave a message? Use this when you want to say something for another person. Repeat, can I leave a message? Good. Next sentence, please tell her I called. Use this when you want someone to give your message. Repeat, please tell her I called. Excellent. Now this one. Can you call me later? Use this when you want the person to call again. Repeat, can you call me later? Very good. Let's continue. Next sentence, sorry, I missed your call. Use this when someone called you before. Repeat, sorry, I missed your call. Good. Now this one, I was in a meeting. Use this to explain why you did not answer. Repeat, I was in a meeting. Excellent. Next sentence, can you call me again in 5 minutes? Use this when you need a little more time. Repeat, Can you call me again in 5 minutes? Very good. Now this one, the line is bad. Use this when the connection is poor. Repeat, the line is bad. Good. Next sentence, you're breaking up. Use this when the other person's voice cuts in and out. Repeat, you're breaking up. Excellent. Now this one, I'll send you a message. Use this when talking is difficult. Repeat, I'll send you a message. Very good. Let's continue. Now we will practice these phrases in simple phone situations. The sentence is, "Hi, it's Emma. Can you hear me?" Repeat, "Hi, it's Emma. Can you hear me?" Very good. Next sentence, "Sorry, I can't hear you. Please speak slowly." Repeat, "Sorry, I can't hear you. Please speak slowly." Excellent. Now this one, "Just a moment, please. I'll call you back." Repeat, "Just a moment, please. I'll call you back." Very good. Next sentence, "Sorry, I missed your call. I was in a meeting." Repeat, "Sorry, I missed your call. I was in a meeting." Good. Now this one, "The line is bad. I'll send you a message." Repeat, "The line is bad. I'll send you a message." Excellent. Let's continue. Now we will practice more simple phone sentences. This will help you speak in everyday situations. The next sentence is, "I'm calling because I need help." Use this when you want to explain why you are calling. Repeat, "I'm calling because I need help." Very good. Next sentence, "I just wanted to check." Use this when you call to confirm something. Repeat, "I just wanted to check." Good. Now this one, "I'm not available right now." Use this when you cannot talk at the moment. Repeat, "I'm not available right now." Excellent. Next sentence, "Can I call you later?" Use this when you want to continue the conversation later. Repeat, "Can I call you later?" Very good. Now this one, "Thank you for calling." Use this at the end of a call. Repeat, "Thank you for calling." Perfect. Let's continue. Next sentence, "Talk to you later." Use this in a friendly way to end the call. Repeat, "Talk to you later." Very good. Now this one, "Have a nice day." Use this to finish the conversation politely. Repeat, "Have a nice day." Excellent. Next sentence, "Bye for now." Use this as a simple goodbye on the phone. Repeat, "Bye for now." Very good. Now we will practice more complete phone sentences. The sentence is, "Hi, it's Emma. I just wanted to check something." Repeat. "Hi, it's Emma. I just wanted to check something." Very good. Next sentence. "Sorry, I'm not available right now. Can I call you later?" Repeat. "Sorry, I'm not available right now. Can I call you later?" Excellent. Now this one. "Thank you for calling. Talk to you later." Repeat. "Thank you for calling. Talk to you later." Very good. Next sentence. "Have a nice day. Bye for now." Repeat. "Have a nice day. Bye for now." Amazing! Perfect! Great job today. You did very well. Keep practicing every day, even if it's just a few minutes. Little by little, your English will improve. Remember, the key is repetition and consistency. If you liked this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to Level Up Your English. We have many more videos to help you speak English with confidence. And if you want to improve faster, watch the next lesson and practice again. See you in the next video.